Hi everyone, welcome to Gig Harbor on this beautiful, sunny, warm April evening. I want to introduce you to my dragon boat team.
What do you think it was?
Let's take a look. We have a full boat of 20 over here. We have Lori's collar tonight. And we have another boat over here. I'm going to be getting in that boat tonight. It's a 10-person boat. I know I've talked about dragon boating a lot in almost every intro for every class, and I wanted to make sure that you had to see exactly what a dragon boat is. Now in a race, we have at the front of the boat a gigantic dragon head. We don't have that on today, and a big tail at the end, so it's kind of festive. And then we have a big, where Lori is sitting in the front of the boat. I introduced you to her earlier. She will have a big drum in her and a big drumstick at the front of the boat. So we're just beginning our race season. We had Paddler's Cup this last weekend, and this weekend we're going to be racing in Olympia, and then in Tacoma, Washington, and then later in the month of May we're going to be up in Vancouver, British Columbia, and racing all over the Pacific Northwest in the summer, and then we'll end our season in Montana in September. So I want to introduce you to two of our fantastic women leaders. They're both paddlers and our coaches, Sarah Vizcaino and Jen O'Hare. Jen is giving instructions right now for the boats in tonight's practice. Pink shirt, and Jen in the blue. No, it's going. It's good. Okay.
Yep.
Oh no, we have 3 boats going tonight. We have the 20-person boat, and then we have Jen Hamilton, that's the helmswoman, in a 10-person boat, and Kurt's going to be the helmsperson in this 10-person boat. Okay, quick introduction to Jen and Sarah, our fearless leaders. Ladies, I just want to give you a quick question.
Okay.
What do you think makes an effective leader? In life and in the dragon boat. You know, be specific.
A whistle and a loud mouth.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think courage and compassion.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Empathy, understanding where people are coming from, and trying to meet them where they're at.
Yeah. I would
And then
agree with
Love
take
it.
them as a team together.
that. Yeah.
Love it.
And a lot of stretching. That's
And
how
a
we
good
became
sense of
coach.
humor.
Yeah, that helps too.
Okay, thanks ladies.
Thanks. Bye.
All right, we'll see you on the water.